Hi everyone, it's Janis here. Sometimes when you work hard towards something and then you don't get it, you want to blame it on luck and you say other people just got lucky. This can be in a business when you want to get a higher role. There might be one position and 25 candidates and you'll have to lose to some of your more experienced peers. Or you might want to get into prestigious university and you know that only best 120 students will be accepted based on test results. Is it really the luck that determines the outcome, or is it actually something else? Let's take a closer look and see what plays the important role here. Let's say there are two content creators that want to become successful. Both put in the work for 2 months and post 25 content articles each. With very little results, one decides to do something else, while other decides to continue to produce the content at the same pace. Half year later, the content creator that continues creating the content has now posted 75 articles, but still with very little results. 1 year later, he's got 150 articles posted and now he's getting some attention. Some of his articles got noticed by the brands and he's now building great relationships and growing his business. Did successful content creator got lucky? I don't think so. I think he put himself in a position to get lucky. While one creator gave himself 25 chances to get noticed, the second creator gave himself 150 chances to get noticed. And even if someone noticed one of the first creator's article, the fact that he hasn't posted any content for a while made brands think that he is not active anymore. While there is a slight element of luck in our life, I believe that if you just put yourself in a position to succeed, you will get lucky. Here are some ways and practices to put yourself in a position to get lucky. Number 1, everything starts with preparation. You can't stand on the starting line of the racetrack and think, how do I win this race? This is a formula for the failure, and there is no luck that can help you when you compete with the people that have been preparing for the whole season. This is one of the reasons why so many businesses fail, because people are like, let's start a business and make some money. And then things of course are not going well and business fails. Whether it's in your academic, athletic or professional career, you have to put in the work in preparation, learning and understanding how things work. Once you have learned and done what 90% of your competition do, then you have to start looking for the edge and things that can advance you further. In time management, you start with building your routines and working on your focus and discipline to stick with your routines. Then you dig deeper and start to understand your energy management patterns and adjust your routines according to them. After that, you keep learning and continuously improving. Number 2, stop the blame. Nothing will get you more distracted than finding the reasons of why you're not successful. You don't have as much resources as your competitors have got in the business, or you might not have as much muscle as your friend. But these are not the reasons not to go ahead with your business or ramping up your gym and diet to improve your results. We all have some downsides and we are really good at identifying them, but we also have to learn to ignore them or work around them, otherwise we'll be left behind. What happens is when we have things to blame, we pay way too much attention on them and therefore don't take actions that we should have been taking. Your energy is the most important thing, so don't spend your energy on negative things, but instead focus on things that move you closer to your goals every day. Number 3, apply 10x actions. More work you put into your goals, luckier you will get. If you want to read a book and that is your goal, then there are different ways to go about it. Let's say the book has got 300 pages. If you read 1 page per day, then it will take you almost a whole year to complete the book. You can also 10x your actions and read 10 pages every day. This will make you finish book in a single month, and you can go in further and 10x some more. If you manage to schedule enough time and read 100 pages a day, then it will just take you 3 days to complete the whole book. Often, when people talk about luck, it's not really something that is falling out of the sky. It is rather something that they want to achieve. So usually, work is directly related in achieving the goal. Therefore, by increasing the amount of the work that you invest, you will increase your chances to get luckier. Number 4, be more self-aware and act on opportunities. People who usually get lucky take actions at the right time. This means that they are constantly moving forward and evaluating situation around them to spot the opportunities. But there is one important thing that you have to be aware of. It's not just sitting and waiting when something will show up. You have to be working in a direction you want to go while looking for opportunities, because when you have a momentum, you'll be able to use the opportunity. Let me give you an example. Before I started productivity app development, I was working on a couple of mobile game projects. From time to time, there were opportunities in the mobile game development events to pitch your game. This is a great opportunity to meet game publishers and showcase your project and potentially build some great relationships. Because I was working on a mobile game, when opportunity presented itself, I was ready to take it. My team just had to polish up the current game build and I was ready to go. Whereas, if I was just waiting for opportunity, I wouldn't be able to do anything without the game. So it is extremely important that you work towards your goals while keeping an eye on opportunities. Luck is a good thing, but remember that you don't want to base your success on luck, because it is unpredictable and not repeatable. That would be like starting a business of buying a lottery tickets and hoping to make money from the winnings. I don't have to tell you that that is not a good idea. Luck is a luck for a reason, and it is not repeatable. If it was repeatable, then it wouldn't be a luck. If you want to manage your time better, have more structure in your life, and achieve your goals, make sure you check out my time planning application. You can set goals and track progress towards them, create time blocks and build your own daily structure, as well as log your time and measure your performance. Best of all, it's totally free, so press here to check it out right now. I'm working on new videos every day, so be sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next episode.